Hi, grade 2. I'm Miss Iman Said from Rare News Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will explain the first unit in your book Connect Plus. But before I will go to explain our first unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today, I will start the first unit in Connect Plus. I would like to say that I explain from my teacher book. I will leave the link of this book below the video to download it and answer the question that we answered together today. Let's go to our first lesson today in your book Connect Plus. The first lesson is about ready, get set, go. Let's go to know more about this unit. Here is words bank, the words that related to this part of our unit, of our lesson. Here we have hello. We took it in grade 1. When in grade 1 we took hello and know that hello is a grading. How are you? To ask about state. Thank you. Good morning. Good evening. Also, these are gradings. Hi. It's okay. Sorry, I'm okay. Not okay. It's okay. I'm okay. See you soon. Good afternoon, good evening. Here we have new gradings I would like to know. Good morning, good afternoon, okay? Good morning, good afternoon. Good evening, good night. Good night when we go to bed, okay? There is a part of day, let's go to know it. We will take this parts of day in Connect later, but not in the first lesson. We will take it in second lesson. I will explain later in Connect. Okay, here we have morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Here we have some phrases that I would like to note, and it's important for us. It's time for school. It's time to go home. Dad has arrived home from work. Let's go to know more about, to go to another item here. Back to the words, we have here the parts of day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. This called parts of day. I will repeat and repeat after me. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Here is the time. I would like to say that our clock classified 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So the hour is 1 hour. The hour have how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay. Here we say 7 o'clock. So it's 7 sharp without saying anything. Here we have 7:30. Why? Let's read it together. 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here is 7:30. We say 7:30. We say half past 7. You can say 7:30 or 7:30. Both are correct. Let's go to another one here. When we're expressing the time, we say AM in the morning and PM in the evening. Here we have 7 o'clock. Good morning. Here 3 o'clock. We say good afternoon. Here we say good evening, and here we say good night because the boy is going to the bed. Let's go to the phrases related to this part. Here is 7 o'clock. It's time. 7 o'clock. It's time for what grade? You can guess with me. Grade 2. 7 o'clock. In this time, what we are doing in this time? It's time for school. 2:30 or 2:30. It's time for what? To go home. 7 p.m. Dad has arrived home from work. 10 o'clock, it's time to go to bed. I think you aren't to go to bed now. 10 o'clock. You can go to bed. You can go to bed later than this time. Okay. I think now people can't go to bed at 10 o'clock. In the old ages, I think we have a time to sleep. Now there isn't time to sleep. Okay. Here we have. Hello, Dina. This is a conversation. Hello, Dina. Hi, Adel. How are you? I'm fine. So the replying of how are you, it will be I'm fine. I'm okay. Thank you. Good morning. We will reply good morning by good morning. Good afternoon by good afternoon. Good evening by good evening. Replying good evening. See you soon. See you later. Okay. Let's go to to another item here. Is this your ball? Yes, it is. Is this your bike? Yes, it is. Let's answer the activities below this part. Morning. Which one is morning here? Let's go to another one. Which one is morning here? This one is morning. So I select this one by this one. Afternoon. This afternoon, number 5 by number 2. Evening. Which one is evening? This one by this one. It's time to go home. Which one's time to go home? This one, it's time to go home. That arrived from the work, this one. It's okay, it will be this one. Okay, it's okay, this one. So I will answer it again. Good morning, this one. Number 1 by number D. Good evening. Which one here is good? Sorry, not good evening, good afternoon. Which one is good afternoon? Number D, number F. Number F. Here is G. Number F. Number E is evening. So I answer the three parts here: evening and the morning and afternoon. Okay. Here is this morning and this afternoon and this evening. It's okay. Which one is okay here? Number 4 by number C. It's time to go home. It's time to go. Number 5 by number A. Dad come home. Number B by number 6. Let's go to another one here. How are you? The replying of this question, it will be what? I'm fine, thank you. This one, number 1 by number C. Okay, number 1 by number C. It's 7 o'clock. It's time for what? Time for school. So I put this number 2 by number E. It's it's half past 2 or 2:30. It will be time to go home. Number B. Good evening. It's the replying. It will be good evening. Okay. So I answered the questions here. Okay. I would like to re-answer it again after I leave the book, the link of this book below the video to download. How are you? How are you? The answer it would be I'm okay. I'm fine or I'm okay. Both are correct. I'm okay. So I select this one. Your kite. So it would be if this the question when we ask about is this okay, to ask about something, it will be if this is this your kite. Yes, it is. It's time for space. It's time for go home, for go home. Let's continue the rest. Let's do the rest of this exercise. Dad arrived home from what? From work. So the answer it will be here. Work, it will be the last one. This work, it will be in this part, this one. Let's go to another one here. Good morning, good evening. This one is it good evening or good morning? It will be good morning. Why? Because we have moon here. Don't have moon. It's good morning or good afternoon. The sun is in the sky. The sun is in the sky, so it will be good afternoon. Good evening, good morning. This is not morning because there is a sun here, so it will be good evening. Because the sun is disappeared here, so it's good evening. So here there isn't sun, so it will be good night. It will be good night because the night is coming. Let's go to another one. Here we have rearranged, as we told you before, we have the rule of subject plus verb plus object. So this is the rule of this question. Okay, when we make a question, I make what? I replace the verb in instead of subject as we know before. I answered 3 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here it will be is. The answer it will be I replace the verb in instead of subject. Is this your ball? Is this your ball? And I would like to say, don't forget, if you have a question in the rearrange, you can't forget the question mark. Okay, you must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. The answer here it will be how are you? And I put a question mark at the end of the sentence. It's time for school. It's time for school, and I put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's go to another one here. I change the color because I think that color is not clear. I would like to be more clear than this, to be clearer than this. Okay. Let's go to another one here. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. Here we have copy is the handwriting. You can write it by yourself. Let's go to lesson 2. I will give you give you some of in unit in lesson 2, and next class I will continue it. Okay, don't give you all the I give you a part on this unit. Okay, in this lesson, not unit. Words bank, we have here some words. We must do it and we must know it. Here we have the meals. Breakfast, we have here lunch. We have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, we have how many meals we have? We have breakfast, I would like to write it in separated paper. Here we have 3 meals. Okay, here we have 3 meals. We have 3 meals. We have 3 meals. 3 meals. What if the meals that we have that we eat during the day? Have breakfast in the morning. We have breakfast. The breakfast is in what? In the morning. Breakfast in the morning. The morning. Breakfast in the morning. We have lunch in the afternoon. In the afternoon we have lunch. And in the night we have what? We have dinner. Okay, this is the meals we have. We have breakfast. We have breakfast. We have breakfast. We have here here we have breakfast in the morning. We have breakfast in the morning. Okay, we have lunch in the afternoon. We have dinner in the night. Okay, so this is our 3 breakfasts that we have during the day. And I would like to say that when we talk about meals, we must be followed by the meal. Before meals we use have. Okay, we use the verb have. Okay, let's go to continue our lesson today. Here we have breakfast, school, mom, lunch, sandwiches, water, tennis, and bike. Here we have some verbs I would like to know it. Here we have get up. We have the meaning of get up. It will be what? It will be wake up. Wake up. Woke up. It will be what also? We have wake up. Same meaning of get up. It will be wake up. Get up, and we have wake up also, the same meaning, okay? Eat, we have eat, ride, have, and have also before what? Before we use have before meals, okay? As we know in the last page, okay? Use have before meals. Play, and we have play. So we have get up, drink, play, eat, write, and have, okay? This is the verbs that that we took it in this part, that we will take in this part. Here we have vectorial words like get up. Here is get up, breakfast, lunch, and sandwich. Here we have the present simple tense. I think I explained this tense many and many times and tell you how to do it, okay? If you want to know more about this tense, you can return to the videos and to some of the several courses that I explained this lesson on, and re-watch it again and review what we told in these videos. But here I will explain more, and I will explain here because it's a part of our lesson. Let's go to know here. Here we have subject, we have affirmative form, we have a negative, and we have a question here. Here we have I, you, we, she, I, you, he, she, we, they, okay? All this is called subject. Here we have affirmative. In the simple tense form, we use can put s with what? With it, with I, with we, with they. Can't do all these subjects can take s like this. We, they, I. All these subjects hate s. The subjects that love s, which one? Subjects that love s, he and she and it takes s. Okay, so this is the difference between the subject that take s and others don't take s. Here we have in the negative form we use don't eat. Don't eat here. We have here when we have s, I put doesn't. Okay, some of you can put s. We have doesn't. If you do so, it will be 0. Why you say 0, Miss Iman? Because if you remember that I do this and put 0, you can remember in the exam. You can if you have doesn't or don't if you have doesn't, you can't put s to the verb. Why? Because doesn't here is replaced the s here, okay, in the question form or in the negative form. I would like to know this, okay? Let's continue. She eats, doesn't eat, we eat, don't eat, don't eat. Here we have in the negative, in the question form, we say, do I eat or do you eat? Does he eat? He eat? Do we eat? And so on. Let's go to continue this class. I would like to say this tense used with what? This tense used with both habits and facts, and used in what? In routine. Okay, to describe our routine. Okay, to describe our routine means something that I do every day. I get up early, I brush my teeth, I wash my face. So here we use this verb to expressing the routine or another thing. We use it in this. We use this verb for two cases also, that we use it in habits and facts. Okay, habits. We use it in habits and facts. Okay. Habits and facts also, okay? We use it with what part? With what also? With a routine, okay? With a routine. When we talk about routine. Okay? Something that I do it every day, okay? Let's go to continue our lesson. Here we have, I get up at 7 o'clock. This is a routine. I eat my breakfast at half past 7. I walk to school with my mom. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat sandwiches and drink water 5 o'clock. I play tennis after school at half past 4. I go home at 5:30 o'clock. I ride my bike at 6:30 o'clock. Here we have what? Here we have routine. Here we say, let's go to know the verbs here. Get up, eat, we have eat, walk, have, eat, play, go, right? So here we talk about what? About we talk about routine. Okay. Let's go to another. This is the question form. How to make a question form? We replace the verb instead of subject like this. Do you and save the verb. Do you have? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. When we reply by the affirmative or by negative, like this. When we ask about that, we say like this. Does she or she plus the verb? Like to say yes, yes, he or she does. In the affirmative form. On negative form, we say he or she, no, or he or she, he or no, he or she doesn't. Like this form. Do you get up at 6 o'clock? No, I don't. When ask about does he have lunch? We say here, Miss Iman will put have in the infant form. Why? Because here we have does. So I return the verb to the stem. The stem of the has, it will be have. Okay. Does he have lunch at 2 o'clock? No, he doesn't. Okay. I will leave the activity to do next class. Today I'll stop here. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.